Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily find button mushroom in Heartopia. Mushrooms are very useful item in the game. You can use them for cooking or just simply sell them for coins. And one of the mushrooms that you can collect is the button mushroom. And to find this button mushroom, just go to this area on the Windmill flower field until the whale mountain, this one over here. Just find this mushroom on this area, this one, and for example just walk around and just pick up this mushroom, like for example this mushroom, and then just simply tap on the pick up icon like this, and then just walk around again. This one. Just walk around until you get the enough mushroom. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can get the button mushroom. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.